Tiny Tools Pencils is a small plugin that is very useful if you often need to mark things in images while working in Photoshop. Basically, there are three types of markers: a highlighter for marking dark text on a white background, a highlighter for marking light text on a black background, and a fully opaque pen. When you select a pen from the color panel, its size is automatically set proportionally to the image size. You can adjust the size at any time in the settings. To prevent you from accidentally drawing on an existing layer, the plugin always creates a new layer for you. If needed, you can also delete all layers created by the plugin at once via the settings. If the default colors don't suit you, you can customize each color button with any color of your choice. However, you can easily restore the standard color for each slot via the right-click menu or reset all default colors in the settings. But you can do more than just draw with a brush using the plugin. If you create a selection, you can fill it with a selected color or add a stroke around it via the right-click menu. If you no longer need the selection, you can deselect it in the same step. If you frequently need to add markings to images, download a free trial version now and see for yourself how useful this plugin can be for your work.